Your dog may have trouble pooping due to constipation, which can result from dehydration, a lack of fiber, or dietary changes. Medical problems like obstructions or underlying health conditions can also cause difficulty in bowel movements. Here are some home remedies that might help your dog poop quickly and feel more comfortable. Adding a small amount of fiber to your dog's diet can help promote regular bowel movements. Try mixing a bit of cooked sweet potato or pumpkin into their food. You can also use pumpkin supplements designed specifically for dogs. Dig Gin Firm Up Pumpkin offers a simple, natural solution for digestive problems in dogs and cats. Rich in fiber, it helps regulate bowel movements and maintain gut health. Add it to your dog's meals for effective results. Make sure your dog is well hydrated. Sometimes, constipation can be caused by dehydration. Ensure they have access to plenty of fresh water. Physical activity can stimulate bowel movements. Take your dog for a walk or engage them in some active play. Regular exercise helps promote a healthy digestive system. A small amount of olive oil can sometimes help with constipation. Mix a teaspoon of olive oil into your dog's food. This can help lubricate the intestines and ease the passage of stool. Adding probiotics, such as unsweetened yogurt in small amounts, to your dog's diet can support digestive health and regularity. Alternatively, you can add probiotic supplements specifically formulated for dogs to their meals. Bernie's Perfect Poop Digestion helps in maintaining optimal digestive health for your pet with its blend of natural fibers and probiotics. It supports regular bowel movements and overall gut wellness. Gently massaging your dog's abdomen can help stimulate bowel movements. Rub in a circular motion from the ribs to the hips. Sometimes, a sudden change in diet can lead to digestive problems. Ensure your dog's food is consistent and avoid giving them too many treats. Always keep an eye on your dog's behavior and consult with a veterinarian if you notice persistent problems or if your dog appears to be in pain. However, if home remedies do not seem effective or your dog shows signs such as abdominal pain, vomiting, or lethargy, it is crucial to consult your vet immediately, as this could indicate a serious problem or obstruction.